Filmora transition smoke. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many video editors, especially beginners, want to create more visually engaging content without complicated techniques. The smoke transition adds a cinematic and dynamic feel between clips. To begin the tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device and ensure it is installed properly before starting. Then, double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface fully loads on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and begin with a clean editing workspace. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project settings correctly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm. Next, click Import. Select 2 videos to use from your device, then click Open to add them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported videos into the timeline section so you can start editing them easily. Then select Keep Project Settings to match the current project format and prevent any compatibility issues. Adjust the duration of the videos used in the timeline so they fit your desired sequence. After that, adjust the size and position of the videos in the preview to ensure proper framing. Next, select the Transition menu tab now to access available transition effects. Click the search column, type smoke, then press Enter to quickly find the effect. Scroll down to see several options that are available in the transition list. Select Realistic Smoke Effect to preview it and see how it looks before applying. Drag and drop it and place it between the 2 videos in the timeline for a smooth transition. Then enlarge the timeline section display to make it easier to adjust details. Extend the effect in the timeline to adjust the transition duration, for example to 3 seconds for a balanced result. Next, click the full screen icon to preview your video more clearly. Then click the play button on the bottom left to watch the result. Now you can see the result. The Filmora transition smoke is successfully applied and enhances the visual flow.